while I'm waiting at the shipper to get this live load, I was just sitting here thinking about that time I took my blanket, pillows, and sheets outside to the fire pit, lit a match, and burned all of it. Yeah. And this might be something you can do in your day-to-day, or if you have some free time this weekend. What? Burn my sheets. Yeah. It's obvious that you have the blanket pulled all the way up over your head and tucked tight into the fitted sheet, snoring, just sleep on you. Yeah, you sleep. Hey, look, wake up. Go burn the sheets, throw the whole scene away. Quit sleeping on you. I've got to get out here and get ready for Melted Gold, the Elixir EP. Release begins April 22nd. First song dropping is grand opening. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. And hopefully you are awake by then, because if you don't throw them sheets away, I can't even.